Why is Kobeni getting so much hate? Why? And no, I'm not just talking about you and Kiwi. People on Twitter have been hating on Kobeni.
I mean, I can tell you my thought process here. I can't speak for Twitter because Twitter.
Well,
but
like I didn't want to read any more into it because obviously this episode had already been out when they were complaining about her. So yeah, it might be minor spoilers, but we did have a discussion where Kiwi and Serbi did make it very clear that they found Kobeni annoying. I don't know. She just hasn't really done anything yet for me to think of that.
Oh, annoying's going a little far. We could discuss it after the episode if she still is.
A little bit ominous though, I did catch a glimpse of the title of this episode. This episode is called Kill Denji, so...
Dang it, our MC's gonna die. God damn it.
Not again. But right guys, this is a full-length reaction, so make sure to open up your own copy of the episode and sync it up with the timer that will appear within Serbi's hands at the end of my countdown. I'm going to start the episode in 3, 2, 1, play. Right, yeah, we were stuck in the SCP.
Yeah.
Oh god, Kobeni, calm down. Wait.
Just making sure it's the same instance of reality.
Oh my god, Kobeni. But yeah, that was a really good way of testing that.
Yeah.
Even if they had to use Kobeni. Why are they just bossing Kobeni around now?
She's not gonna do anything otherwise.
Yeah, there's no escaping through the windows. Is this just going to be the room on the other side? Kobeni is just like a scared, very small dog.
It kind of makes me think of two SCPs, right? The infinitely looping hallway,
Yeah.
but also there's the one that's like an orb that can extend the interior of any house.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
We haven't gotten to that SCP just yet.
It's one of those where it's like it doesn't really do a whole lot, but it's interesting conceptually. It's just yeah, you leave it in a house and it just keeps getting bigger on the inside.
It's the thing that they use to make the back rooms.
In the TARDIS.
And IKEA.
It's a multifunctional SCP.
Also, what's with the slug thing in the OP?
I mean, it gives me the thought of just like toxic and dangerous because you have all the like carnivorous plants and then she tries to feed him the snail. I did unfortunately have the name of the dancing demon spoiled for me.
Oh, rip.
I'm not going to say it though.
Alright, thank you. So yeah, why is Denji just sleeping?
This is probably devil's. No, this is just how it is.
It is. It is what it is.
Oh.
Oh. Wow, you can see his own feet from there. Holy, this is Portal.
No, that's good info. The devil's powers go away when they die.
So if someone gets afflicted by something and the devil dies, and they'll be all A-okay.
Possibly. It didn't work like that in Dorohedoro.
Oh, for like the magicians? Or what would they called? Sorcerers?
That's where they were looking for the lizard one to undo Kaiman's head.
Mm-hmm. Send your brother to college?
Oh, rip.
Oh. Well, those are...
Aw.
No. Oh my god, power. You can see from power that they really love it. They haven't been moving? Why specifically that time? Well, the 8th floor is infinity as well, right?
Mm.
Hell yeah, Genji! Genji's gonna be like, yeah, I'll just wait it out.
And he's out.
He's literally asleep.
Oh, he's like, the fuck?
He literally went to sleep.
I like the ticking, but it doesn't go anywhere.
Oh, what is it? You just let everybody else do the work? Right, so how exactly are you gonna get it out? They did mention that, yeah, you have to kill the devil, more than likely. That's actually making it infinite space.
Mm-hmm.
But if the devil's like outside of this infinite space, then how are we gonna do that? What? Why? He's trying to drink toilet water?
I understand the freaking out. Oh, like the toilet water.
I know. The Nobel Prize. Well, that's a...
Imagine power as the prime minister.
100% sales tax? Power for president, honestly.
If you flush the toilet, where does it go?
Infinity.
Does it go into just another toilet?
Oh my god. Just leave it to Aki. Who? Ah. Well, I see. So
Good influence.
you were the one. Wow. 100%.
Well, yeah, great. Ray clarified the gun devil a little bit for us.
Oh yeah. Thank you, Ray. Now we know that's
Yeah.
actually Keemstar. I'm fast as fuck, boy. Oh, he metal passed. Slapu. That seems fair. Like, obviously.
Comes with the territory of what? Having relationships?
Well, I mean, I can understand. Nice. Well, like, I can understand their anger, but I just feel like, yeah, it's just misdirected. It should be
Yeah.
towards the devils and not Himeno.
Mhm.
Is this the Himeno X Aki? But Aki only has eyes from Makima. Ah, just one. Just one, and they'll be addicted for life. Oh god. Well, rip.
Rip Aki.
Zamo and Aki's life went downhill. Oh my god, Denji, are you in elementary?
Yes.
It's not there anymore.
Oh.
Geodude grew up?
Well, at least they found him.
Well, oh, that's a lot bigger than last time.
It really does give off strong flesh that hates vibes, though. This is just the
Yeah, it
SCP
is.
episode. Ew.
Why are you specifically after him? Oh, oh, Kobeni! Oh no!
Oh, Aki's kind of badass.
Well, he has survived in this job for this long, so.
Yeah.
Can't respond. Well, this place might not even be in
Yeah.
whatever dimension this is, yeah. But your ghost seems to be attached to you, so.
Ghost is pretty cool. I like it. Oh,
Yeah, it
was
just
it like
infinitely
every
expands.
time you heard it, it doubles like a grosser Hydra.
Oh, this is the inside of its stomach.
Ooh.
Devils specifically follow contracts to the T, right? Hmm. There must be a very good reason why. Yeah. Power, no. Someone get Power Nobel Prize. Oh, and he's accepted that Denji isn't one.
They're all just staring at it.
Well,
Interesting.
his sword is his last option. Gee, thanks.
Power, eat it.
Oh no! Power!
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, sure. Oh, Kobeni, calm down. Not gonna lie though, I find Kobeni's character super funny.
I'm not a fan, but I feel like if we get out of this with her alive, that she could grow from it. But as is, it's just kind of annoying.
Well, you said that's a strong word.
Well, why does it want Denji in particular? I'm curious.
Maybe it's because Denji is special because he's not really a fiend. He's kind of like a hybrid.
Mm-hmm.
Or maybe like, yeah, devils are
Maybe
just
it's
specifically targeting the chainsaw.
yeah,
Eternity Devil.
interesting. That is a good concept for a devil.
The fear of eternity.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it would be pretty powerful.
Oh, crushed by bed. Ooh. You know, I love some good body horror. It's oh my god. No.
Oh, he's going to kill Denji? Is him using his sword really Ah, okay.
Yeah, she'd rather sacrifice Denji than Aki.
Well, yeah, that makes sense. She just met Denji.
Mm-hmm.
Holy shit, Aki. I'm actually kind of touched that Aki believes in Denji this much.
Mm-hmm. Hey, he's got kinship
Okay.
now.
Yeah, this makes so much sense for Aki.
Mm-hmm.
But not impossible.
Impossible?
Remembering the death of her other partners.
No, it is.
Kobeni, you need to calm down.
This one's on you, whether you like it or not.
Yeah, there's really no way out of this one, Kobeni. But like, Veno's PTSD is so strong that she completely breaks character when a partner is in danger.
Yeah.
How do you rip eternity into pieces?
Chainsaws.
Yeah, that's what they taught us in quantum physics as well. Yeah, it was crying in pain. But how much are you going to have to tear apart? Ah, well, I guess, yeah. I agree,
I was like,
Power.
oh, cool. I want to watch. Have they seen his chainsaws yet? I know Aki has.
I mean, they did see the aftermath, but whoa, that right. Let's watch the ED before we actually talk about stuff.
Mm.
Right? More impossible spaces.
That's a fun sound.
No name instantly pops in my mind when I hear this.
It does sound kind of no-namey. I don't think they're doing one, are they? Let's
I
see,
don't
who
think
is
so.
this? Episode 6. Oh, this is Canaria. That makes sense.
Oh, Vegeta. All right, solid ending. All I know is that next episode is going to be lit.
I'm expecting some cool fight animation because there wasn't a whole lot of animation budget in this episode.
How exactly does one fight eternity, right?
I don't know, but it's gonna be cool, I'm sure.
I want to see how that's animated. Fighting eternity with a chainsaw.
How long do you think it'll take him to wear him down?
Well, the thing is, his plan is to cut him up so badly that he wishes to die on his own accord. That really depends on the fortitude of this eternity demon.
This gives me like Doctor Strange Dormammu I've come to bargain kind of vibes. Except
pretty much
pain.
Oh yeah, there was that deal with like Aki's sword. Apparently he can use it and it would definitely get them out of this. So that means it's super powerful. However, it shaves off years of his life. So
yeah,
I don't know if we'll ever get to see it. Like, they've already teased it, right? Eventually, we're gonna have to see Aki pull out his sword.
That's the smoking gun. We gotta
fire it by the end of the show.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know. They might not be by the end of the show because it could be a long run thing in the manga. That's the downside to anime.
Yeah, that's
like we had that issue in Dorohedoro too because it just didn't get far enough to have any of that payoff.
Well, I'm sure with the popularity of Chainsaw Man, we're definitely gonna get other seasons as well. So eventually, we'll get to see it.
I cry. Give me Dorohedoro season 2. So when a devil dies, all of its power or whatever supposedly goes away. And I'm trying to think of like if that could change our theories on anything with. Because the only thing we know of the gun devil, the only thing we know is that its body parts will draw into each other, but that could just be not necessarily connected to its powers. So
yeah,
I think the gun devil's dead.
I'm not sure about that. I mean, even if it is dead, then its body parts are just still so incredibly powerful that people will be able to use it for nefarious things and it'll still be a part of the story, like 100%.
He's either dead or dormant. I don't know.
Himeno has severe PTSD from losing all of those partners, and while she doesn't show it on the outside, she acts all cool and very Onei-san-like. But yeah, the moment Aki got stabbed, she just broke character. She really didn't want Aki to die or lose any bit of his life. She really cares about him a lot, but I'm fairly certain that it's the Himeno x Aki, but Aki has eyes for Makima. God damn it. I guess I now understand why there was so much hate thrown towards Kobeni.
I don't hate Kobeni. I do find her annoying currently.
I found it to be extremely comical.
It's comical the way she is just non-functionally like thinking just 100% panic. I'm pretty sure she'll survive this encounter, so it's like I hope that she can grow from it and be less, I don't know, useless.
Wow, let's just use the strongest word possible.
Okay, I could have gotten meaner because she's done one thing in this, and then stab
her own
Aki.
teammate.
I think useless is a pretty nice thing to refer to her. No, okay. I think she has potential to be a fun character. I think this part here is not her best moment. But
I'm pretty sure this is going to be like her worst
with
moment.
A long-running series is she can take this and grow from it and become a better character from it. I like that kind of dynamic, and her backstory is sad. Like wanting to go to college, her brother had more like ability, so they sent him, and she had to go get a job. Like that's sad. I feel for that, and I like her like setup, but yeah, it's kind of comical just how absurdly panicked she is right now.
I know, right? She's just in a really bad situation. She doesn't want to be here in the first place, but given the choice between being a sex worker or being a devil hunter, this is what she chose. She's obviously not experienced with the job. She doesn't want to be here. And then the moment the devil offers something, of course, people are just going to be like this. They're going to throw other people under the bus in order to save their own skin. How she acted was entirely natural, and I don't blame her for that.
I have more like forgiveness and sympathy for her character than the other guy's character. I can't remember his name. Because we've seen nothing. Yeah, we've seen nothing of him, I guess, justify his panic and lack of composure in the situation. So he's almost equally panicked, but we have no like grounding for his character to be like, oh yeah, I see why he's panicked.
Yeah, I feel a little bit more contempt towards Arai than I do Kobeni. Because, yeah, as you said, we got Kobeni's backstory and we understand why she's like this and why she's doing this and the decisions that she's making. But Arai tried to act like the cool guy, but now he's kind of, you know, just throwing Denji under the bus, essentially.
We don't know how long he's been a devil hunter. We don't know his motivation for being a devil hunter. We just know we've seen him in one encounter and he's not doing so hot.
Yeah, I don't know. His chances of surviving here are a little minimal. Kobeni, they gave the backstory, so obviously she has to grow as a character, right? But Arai,
When they're first throwing the deal, like Aki and Himeno just solid, nope, not gonna do it. They kind of backtracked on that when they realized just how hopeless the situation was. But their initial was just, nope, we're not gonna sacrifice one of our own. And Aki stuck to that.
The only reason why Himeno kind of went back on that was because Aki's life and well-being got involved. So at the end of the day, if it's a choice between Denji and Aki, she's obviously going to pick Aki. She's a lot closer to Aki, and Aki means a lot more to her than Aki probably knows.
Yeah. Well, it's not. Yeah, I guess I misworded that because I didn't go back on it because it was more. Aki realized that the only option he had within his like power, not sacrificing Denji, is sacrifice himself, and Himeno said no.
Yeah, basically.
So it wasn't that they changed their opinion. It's that they Aki made a choice. She made him smoke though. That's so. She cares so much about him. Here, have lung cancer.
Yeah, sure. Socializing. She wants a smoke buddy. But like,
he's taking years off his life with that too.
Actually, true. Himeno's the one that's killing Aki. It's not Denji's fault. What?
This was a good kind of, I feel like, building episode.
Certainly.
Nothing too crazy, especially not like animation wise, but we're definitely learning about the characters. We're building up this devil, which is a fun devil. I love the concept for this devil, and I hope next episode we're gonna have a fun fight and conclusion to it.
A very fun fight, ripping apart eternity with chainsaws.
I want to see it. Yeah.
How does one even imagine that? How does one even depict that and animate it?
I don't know, but I'm excited.
But yeah, that's gonna be it from us, guys. Check out the playlist if you haven't already. Leave like, subscribe, and until next time, see you guys later.
Bye bye.